Hi, it's David in the stained glass studio. I'm getting ready to do a repair to a lamp. Now, usually when a person brings a lampshade to be repaired, they also bring the stand to the lamp shade. And on this particular repair, they did not bring it. And so I have to make a jig, a kind of a stand that will hold the lampshade up. So the first thing I did was go over to the Home Improvement Center and I bought some stuff. And this was from the lighting center. And I took this heat cap with me because I knew that this is the size of heat cap that I'm going to use for the repair. So I was looking for a screw-in lamp stand, and it came in a package of 2. So I knew for sure I needed this. So since I found one with 2, then I got some of these couplings, and they're like little screw-on parts so that I can put 2 of these together if I need more height. And then I needed a nut that'll hold this up. And so that's what that's about. Now, in order for this to work, I have to have a chunk of wood. And I'm going to go over and cut that piece of wood right now. And then I will drill a hole. And this hole will be the same size as the screw-in piece. This is a Forstner bit. Forstner bits are really cool. They're made with so that they'll cut a flat bottom hole. And so it's a very small one. I'm lucky to have a size that's small enough for that. So I'll drill that in a minute. Cutting a second one just in case I need extra height. And I cut this one longer than this one so that it'll, give me some extra wiggle room on top. Okay, that's what I need for my ready? Okay, here we go. We're going to put this, I'm only going to go halfway down. I don't want to go in too far. Look how sweet that bit is. This goes right in. Let's see if maybe a little bit deeper. Okay, and so now, because it's such a tight fit, look, I can just screw it right in to the hole. I think it's almost, okay, there it is. All right, so now that is the stand. I'll shoot a nail in here to hold it more steadily, but now I need this to be able to stand up. So I've got one of these little screws that I got from the lighting department. And come on. There it is. Okay, so see just a little bit so that it holds it from sliding down. This is the heat cap that I'm going to be putting the lamp on, and that's what needs to be replaced. And so this stand will hold everything up, and it'll be perfectly balanced. So that's it on this video, was just how to make this stand. You may not ever have to do that, because you may, if you ever have a lamp to fix, they may bring you the lamp base. But if not, this will show you how to do it. And I'll see you next time when we do the actual repair to the lamp. All right, this has been David in the Stained Glass Studio. I hope if you would, that you would check like, make a comment, and we'll see you next time.